Ever wondered why everyone from startups to schools is using Microsoft Office 365? Is it just Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or something much bigger? Well, you're about to find out. Let's break it down. Office 365, now called Microsoft 365, is not just a bunch of tools. It's a cloud-based productivity suite designed to help you create, collaborate, and get things done. Anytime, anywhere. Yes, it still includes classics like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, but now they're online, constantly updated, and accessible across all your devices. No more downloading or manual updates. Everything syncs automatically. That's the power of the clouds. But here's where it gets really cool: collaboration. With tools like Microsoft Teams, you can chat, meet, share files, and co-edit documents in real time. Whether you're working remotely or in the office, everyone stays connected. Imagine editing an Excel file while your teammate makes changes at the exact same time. Office 365 also includes OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage service. You get 1 TB of space to save your documents securely and access them from anywhere. And for businesses, it offers powerful tools for security, compliance, user management, and analytics, all under one platform. So, what is Office 365? It's your digital office, a space where tools, teams, and ideas come together, whether you're working solo or collaborating across continents. To think Office 365 is just about documents and spreadsheets? It's much more than that, and we can help you master it. At the Knowledge Academy, we offer expert-led Microsoft 365 training to boost your skills, enhance collaboration, and transform the way you work. Ready to unlock the full potential of Office 365?